What's your summary of what we can expect in terms of a response from Iran?
I think we can expect Iran to react as they say they will react, like a country who has had the United States, the greatest power on earth, declare war against them. They have been preparing for this type of war, not just for the past 2 years since President Trump withdrew the United States from the Iran nuclear agreement, but they've been preparing for this, in fact, since I was negotiating with them in 2002, when then President Bush designated the entire country of Iran as part of the axis of evil. The Iranians that I know talk about this and have talked about it with more and more frequency, that Iranian military planners, they know every inch of where every American has been in the Middle East. And not just Americans, but our allies. Every desalination plant in the United Arab Emirates, in Saudi Arabia, every embassy, every business. The Iranians know that territory extraordinarily well. It's a country of 85 million people, highly educated, a really developed country in many, many ways. And they can mobilize millions of men between the ages of 18 and 35 very, very quickly.
And Hillary, to that point, when you say that this is a country that has been preparing for a possibility like this for years, preparing how? What would this look like? And we keep hearing the term asymmetric warfare today on the heels of this strike. Mm-hmm.
Well, Iran has both an incredibly developed conventional military capability. They have millions of men that they have currently under arms and can call up very quickly. They've developed an entirely indigenous conventional military force with missiles, ammunition, all sorts of guns, and every type of military armament that other very developed countries have. They've created that indigenously when the U.S. pulled out after the 1979 Iranian Revolution. On top of that, they have developed networks all over the region and really all over the world, but very much first and foremost in the region. General Soleimani, the general that was killed, he personally, but not just he, everyone in the Revolutionary Guard and the Quds Force developed these networks, whether they're in Iraq, Turkey, Lebanon, Syria, Yemen, Saudi Arabia itself, the United Arab Emirates. Throughout the region, Iran has these type of networks, and they constantly surprise the United States in their capability. I would argue that Iran is perhaps the most capable foe that the United States has set to go to war with since World War II.